If your houseplants are growing slowly, turning yellow, or leaning toward the window, the problem might not be your watering, it's your lighting. Light is the fuel plants use to create energy, and without the right amount, no watering schedule or fertilizer can save them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to understand indoor light, find the best spot for your plants, and make any room in your home a thriving plant zone. Let's start with the basics. Most houseplants fall into one of three light categories: bright light, indirect light, and low light. Bright light means a sunny windowsill that gets several hours of direct sun each day, perfect for succulents, cacti, and herbs. Indirect light means a well-lit room where sunlight bounces off of walls or furniture, great for pothos, snake plants, and peace lilies. Low light doesn't mean no light. It's usually a few feet away from a window or in rooms that get filtered light, suitable for ZZ plants and some ferns. Understanding these categories helps you group your plants correctly so each one can grow at its best. Now we're going to talk about the window direction rule. So the direction that your windows face makes a huge difference. South-facing windows get the most sunlight all day. These are perfect for those high-light plants. East-facing windows get gentle morning light that's bright but not harsh, ideal for most tropicals. West-facing windows bring strong afternoon light, which can scorch sensitive leaves if they're too close, so make sure you pay attention. North-facing windows get the least light and work best for low-light species. If you're unsure which way your window is facing, use your phone's compass app. It's a simple but powerful trick for plant placement. Now here is how to test your light without fancy tools. You don't need a light meter to understand your space. Stand where your plant sits and then hold your hand a few inches above a white surface. If the shadow is sharp and clear, it's bright light. If it's soft and blurry, that's medium or indirect light. Okay, if you barely see a shadow now, it's low light. This quick shadow test helps you adjust your plant's positioning instantly. Now here's how you can help plants adapt to indoor light, because plants can adjust to new environments, but they need time. When you bring a new plant home, don't move it around too often. Give it a week or two to settle in. Rotate your plants every couple of weeks so all sides get light evenly. If your space doesn't get enough natural light, you can supplement with grow lights. Position them about 6 to 12 inches above your plants and then run them for 10 to 12 hours a day to mimic daylight. Next, we're going to talk about signs your plant needs more or less light. Your plant's leaves tell the story. If it's stretching towards the window, that's a sign it wants more light. Faded color, small new leaves, or slow growth also mean it's not getting enough light. On the other hand, brown patches, crispy edges, or bleached spots usually mean too much direct sun. Move those plants a few feet back or use a sheer curtain to diffuse and filter the light. Indoor light changes throughout the year. In winter, the sun sits lower and daylight hours shorten. Even bright rooms become dimmer at this time. During seasonal light changes, move plants closer to windows or increase your grow light usage. In spring and summer, light becomes stronger, so move sensitive plants a little further back. Staying aware of the seasons keeps your plants thriving all year long. Now here's what you want to know for long-term light success. Every home has a sweet spot for plants. a place where light, temperature, and humidity naturally balance. Once you find it, group your plants accordingly. Place the bright light plants together near windows, the medium light plants a little further back, and low light plants in the cozy corners. You can even rotate your collection every few months for even growth. When your plants are in the right light, they'll reward you with new leaves, rich color, and steady growth. Now you know exactly how to understand and manage indoor light for your houseplants. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly plant care videos. See you in the next one. Happy gardening!